All right, I just wanted to clarify also that we can do these not with just the functions that we know, but we can do them with completely arbitrary functions. So say we had a function that looked like f of x, and they didn't really tell you what it was, but they just gave you points. So we'll look at this one, which has a point at 2, 0, and 1, 1, and negative 1, 0. And this is my function. Now I can actually draw a corresponding function just by using the tricks that we've talked about in class. So if it asks me, what is f of negative x? I say, hey, I know that. Yay. That one is, that's the worst hey I've ever seen. No more smiley faces for y'all. Okay, we say, I know that. That is in fact a shift, not a shift. That is in fact a flip. This is a flip. And it's over the y-axis. So what I need to do for this, even though I have absolutely no idea what the function looks like, all I have to do is take this original function up here and I need to flip it over the y-axis. So this point that was over here at 1, 1 gets flipped, gets flipped over the y-axis and comes over here to, let's see, that would be negative 1, 1. This point over here that was at 2, 0 gets flipped over here to negative 2, 0. And this point here that was here at negative 1, 0 gets flipped over the y-axis to 1, 0. So that is our new function. So we just flipped it over the y-axis. So I'll give you another example. We'll go ahead and use that same function. If I had f of x was equal to this graph looking like, again, 2, 0, 1, 1, and negative 1, 0. And I said, okay, well, I want f of x plus 3. I say, aha, this plus 3 means that I have a, hopefully you've got a horizontal shift, and I'm going to go to the left 3 units. Okay, so again, I'll have my little graphy thing here. I think that'll be good enough. So my point that was originally at 2, 0, this point right here that was originally at 2, 0, I go over to the left 3 units. Wait, that's not a 2, that would be where it was. I'm going to go, and I'm right over here. So I've moved it to the left 3 units. So this new point is negative 1, 0. This point over here that was 1, 1, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And so now it's become negative 2, 1. And this one over here that was a negative 1, 0, not to be confused with this point that currently is there. I'll do it in a different color. So this point, that is this point, goes 1, 2, 3. And it just moves 3 over. So the new point would be negative 4, 0, and then I'll connect them. So you just need to think, even if the graphs are really funky, you just kind of got to put your blinders on and apply the function exactly like the definition says. So have fun with that too.